Subscribe to our channel. Espresso and Cappuccino Machine, with inbuilt milk frother by Jevy. Review. Are you looking for espresso coffee machine, with inbuilt, adjustable milk frother, to simply make barista quality espresso, cappuccino, latte, and mocha at home? Espresso coffee machine, with inbuilt adjustable milk frother, by Jevy, provides a reliable performance to brew rich tasting espresso each and every time, and ensure the best coffee flavors. Why choose espresso coffee machine, with inbuilt adjustable milk frother, by Jevy? This semi-automatic espresso machine by Jevy is able to brew both coffee and espresso. It is a very versatile, a 15-bar high-pressure machine, and has a 2-in-1 coffee maker and a milk wand. Though, the Jevy brand has a reputation for making portable coffee gear for those who spend most of their time on the road. This model coffee maker makes an impressive addition to not only a traveler's home, but that of a reserved homebody, too. This machine specializes in producing rich espresso for a variety of espresso beverages, but primarily cappuccinos and lattes. We enjoy the Jevy Barista because its 15-bar pump system brews quality and rich-tasting espresso shots with exceptional and thick crema, and it can also steam and froth milk, both quickly and efficiently. But that's not where its impressive features stop. It also has double temperature control, allowing you to adjust the water and milk temperature separately. Plus, frothing milk has never been easier than with the Barsetto brewer's steaming wand. There's a side rotating button that controls the release of steam, which is inspired by the designs of many higher-end commercial machines. Jevy Espresso and Cappuccino Machine, with milk frother. Pros and cons. Pros: good espresso and milk steaming. Affordable price tag. Heats up in under half a minute. Dual temperature setting option for water and milk. Stainless steel froth wand keeps plastic away from milk. Cons: no built-in grinder. You have to stop the espresso brewing manually. Instructions can be better. Jevy Espresso and Cappuccino Machine, with milk frother. By features: flavor 9.6, performance 9.6, easy to use 9.5, easy to clean 9.5, value for money 9.5. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. 15-bar pressure system. 15-bar high pressure Italian ODM pump with 1100 watts big power can provide fast and stable extraction, makes espresso more fragrant and rich in crema. This espresso machine has dual smart temperature control throughout the brew process to ensure authentic tasting espresso. Active temperature control. Visual thermometer helps you control the best temperature for optimal coffee extraction. 2 separate thermostats adjust the temperature of the water and milk foam separately, so that the taste of coffee can reach the ideal state, and the milk foam is rich and creamy. Adjustable milk frothing allows you to adjust the foam and steam levels to customize a variety of delicious espresso-based coffee. The unique 360 degrees rotating stainless steel frothing wand is more convenient to make delicious lattes and cappuccinos for silky foam at the touch of a button. 7 grams for full flavor. Achieve a consistent and balanced espresso using the right amount of ground coffee. Using 7 grams coffee powder to make 1 ounce of espresso can get full flavor and better taste. The amount of coffee powder should add to the max line. Do not exceed the line. Elegant design. The coffee maker features a small size and elegant design, suitable for your kitchen and tea room to let you own a private cafe and meet your need for a high-quality life. Dimensions: 32 by 27 by 35 centimeters. Weight: 4.3 kilograms. BPA-free, and pass FDA certification. Based on over 1,630 customer reviews, and an overall 4.5-star rating on Amazon. Espresso coffee machine, with inbuilt adjustable milk frother by Jevy, manages to provide you with the perfect espresso and espresso-based beverages in one of the most compact ways possible. Here's what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. The wonderful coffee maker, with no problems. I discovered the 5-cup Jevy coffee maker, and I can now look forward to brewing my own personal pot each morning. I love this coffee maker so much. It is the perfect size for me. I get enough for a good-sized large mug, plus a regular cup or two, to finish the pot, if I desire. The coffee is really delicious and hot. Not too scalding hot, but perfect for a great cup. I use liquid creamer from the fridge, and even that doesn't cool it too much. Still nice and hot. It's wonderful. Says Becky L. 5 stars. Hot coffee, at long last. I searched and searched for a small coffee maker that would actually heat coffee to the proper temperature. At long last, I found the Jevy. My husband loves the European styling, and he says it does indeed heat his coffee to the recommended coffee temperature. Says Marguerite F. 5 stars. Best coffee pot ever. I have been looking for the perfect coffee maker. Something small, didn't take up much room, yet made a cup of coffee like the big, bulky coffee makers. This is it. I love my coffee maker. It is perfect for me because my husband does not drink coffee, and it makes perfect coffee every single time, and I can drink the whole pot and not feel the least bit jittery. Says Angela Dina Griffith. 5 stars. Looks great, works great. I am very pleased with this coffee pot. It looks nice, and it makes a good pot of coffee. It uses conical filters, just as an FYI. I think it turns out a stronger pot with less coffee because of that. Says Michael. 3 stars. Great flavor and price. Awesome coffee maker. I love how hot the coffee is, and it stays hot on the burner. So I can have my second cup of coffee just as hot. Also, the flavor is great, just as good as my past expensive coffee maker. I really can't believe the price. There are a few negative reviews about when you pour the coffee. Yes, it does drip on my counter. Thank you Jevy for this coffee maker and having the price low, especially during the hard economic era of COVID. Says Vermonter. 1 star. Works only for the first few days. It worked well only for the first few days. Now, the amount of 2-shot is about 30%. So that I need to push again 2-shot or 1-shot button. Sometimes the digital display keeps blinking, so that I need to restart it. No warranty from the manufacturer. Says Nick A. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.